Now let's learn how to import the functions file here in the main in order to be able to call any function from that functions file. How can we do that? How can we import this file into the main.py? Well, it's very simple. All you need to do is that you need to type import and then functions, just functions, without the file extension, without the .py, and without quotes, and then that's it. Now, using that functions, if you use this functions and then dot, you can call any function from the functions file. For example, if we want to, let's say that we want to write data, here write data to this, write some text to this test.txt, we can obviously call the write to file. So let's test that by calling the write underscore to underscore file, and then we need to pass obviously the path, and we want the data. So the path is that we want to write the text inside the test, which is inside the wiki folder. So I'm gonna here say wiki and then /test.txt, and then the data that we want to pass, the text. Let's say this is a test text, and let me now save. And now if we run our script, here I'm gonna run the main.py, Python, and then main.py, and then hit enter. And now if you go to the, if you head on over to the test.txt, you will find now that we have a text that has been added or appended to this test.txt. So it worked. So this is how you can import a file inside the main.py and then use its functions.